All right, welcome back. Today we're going to learn how to create a pin spring here in Autodesk Inventor. So let's go ahead and start a 2D sketch. Or, I'm sorry, a new file. Standard, create, and start a 2D sketch now in our XY plane. All right, so the first thing you want to do is when you make a spring is to identify how high you want it. So, you want it to go, okay, a distance or height. I measured this off a spring, okay, from a pin in my office here. So your measurements may be slightly different, remember. Okay, so let's see here. I went about 1.1. Oops, let's see here. Or I'm sorry, zero point 0.1. All right, and now we need to make the radius. Okay, so not the diameter but the radius, which was 0.108. Enter. Okay, hit escape. Now come up to our circle. Now this is the thickness of your spring metal. Okay, so it's like the thickness of your coil metal here. And I got a length of 0.02 when I measured my spring. Okay, so go ahead and hit enter. All right, now let's finish our sketch. I'm going to zoom in here. So let's come up here to coil. If it says loft or sweep, you need to select coil. Okay, now it's asking you to select the profile. It does it pretty much automatically for you. Now select the axis, that middle guy right there. Now let's come to coil size. All right, right here we want a pitch. I got a pitch. It's the distance between the two springs, basically, of point or of each coil. Basically, it's the distance between each coil. Okay, and then I got about 3 revolutions here. Okay, so hit OK, and there you go. That's the first part of our spring. Now let's click on here, start a 2D sketch. Go over here to project geometry, click there. Now I'm going to create a circle once again and just drag it out so that it's 0.02 inches, the same there. Hit escape, drag our line tool, okay, and once again we need to identify our radius of our spring, which if you recall was 0.108. And now the height of this part, we're going to take it up, okay, 0.566 is what I measured with my calipers. Okay, hit escape once again and then finish your sketch. All right, and then once again come back to your coil, the axes, we want that, but coil size now we don't want 0.03 because it's more spread out. Okay, we want a pitch of 0.11, and I got 7 revolutions for this section. Hit enter or OK. There we go. Now we got to make just one more here, so click there, start a 2D sketch. And once again, project geometry. All right, and grab our circle tool and just drag it out to it there. Okay, so it kind of clicks in place. Hit escape. Once again, we're going to come over here with our line, make our radius, which was 0.108. Okay, and make our height of our spring, which was 0.1. Okay, go ahead and finish sketch. Okay, come to our coil tool, our axis, right there. And now once again our coil size now we want 0.03, and we just want 3 of those revolutions. Okay, and hit OK. And there we go. There is our pin spring. okay, in case you're making a pin for an engineering project, reverse engineering project there. And the last thing you might want to do is give it a nice polished steel is always a good one to go with. And there you go. Okay, a pin spring for just about anyone. All right, thanks for watching.